Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your list, your Microsoft list, to a CSV file. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then tap on this export CVS file button at the top of the screen. Tap on allow and then it will be downloaded. So tap on this download button in the upper right corner of the screen to check out your downloaded items. Open it. It will be opened in an Excel file, as you can see. You should wait a few seconds till it loads, and here you can find the data that you have added to your list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.